Hello everyone, welcome back to Accounting BI, the future of finance, the true FP&A and management accounting solution from the UK. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to call the balance sheet reports from Xero to Accounting BI. First things first, you're going to make sure that you've connected your Xero organization to Accounting BI. So sign in to your Accounting BI account either with Xero, or if this is not yet set up, you can go ahead and sign in with your Accounting BI credentials. Then from the dashboard, you'll head to the organizations tab to confirm whether your organization is displayed on the dashboard like ours. Then go ahead and click on the reports tab, then click on chart of account reports. Select your organization on this part of new report, then click on submit. You will spot this, we're working on it. Once completed, it will show us completed. You can confirm this, the status of your API report, by coming through the home tab and seeing the success. Then go back to the reports tab, click on balance sheet report, select your organization. Then for the date, you're going to make sure that this as always is a month that is ending at the 31st date. Period, you can choose one, then the month as time frame. Then for the standard layout, select yes. However, if you have a US organization, you're going to select no. Then once you fill out correctly, go ahead and click on submit. So you'll find that we are working on it. Once it's done, it's going to show us completed as seen here. So go ahead and to the connectors tab. Then you'll find this bearer token here, which you're going to click on it to copy. This will be used to generate your balance sheet reports through Excel. So make sure you have this bearer token. Then to confirm the status of your API report, go to the home tab. Then you're going to see that the balance sheet report is a success. Bye guys, thank you for watching. Stay tuned for the next video.